Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied our simple day trading strategy on Friday's market. You can see this long ash color candlestick that indicates Friday's market price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere around 6,530s, but you would have seen the LTP around 6,620s. So you know that the price was staying above our green color moving average line, which shows that then you should take only a buy entry. Whenever the market opens with a gap up or gap down price opening, we had informed you that you should take only a buy entry when the price is touching the first white line. When the price is touching the first white line, then you should enter into the market. Till then you should wait for the market to provide you a better signal. Now you can see the price is slowly approaching this white line, and when the price just wait and see that no, the price didn't touch here. Now it's touching this white line, but the color of the candlestick is in ash color, which indicates that the market had lost the momentum. So you are not going to take this entry because it should be in blue color when the price is touching this first white line. So we are not taking this signal as a valuable signal, and we are going to leave it. Now let us see what happened after that. After this the price is moving. Okay, no, still now here we got another valuable entry signal. So the price was staying above the first white line, and it provided a candlestick is in blue color. So your entry point would have been somewhere here, and the stop loss, you know, that just 3 points below the next white line. Now let us see what happened after that. So you should always have this habit of modifying your stop loss. You know that always you should have the habit of modifying your stop loss, which means that you are reducing your risk. See how we are slowly and steadily reducing our risk. This helps you to reduce your risk and maximize your profit also. Now let us see what happened after that. Slowly and steadily the price is moving, and we are also increasing our stop loss. So the market provided some valuable profit. We are going to delete this, and now we will wait for the second signal. Here you can see after testing this second white line, the market again provided you a signal. This is a second entry option where the price went up till 6,710. This is the second entry option where the market had provided us. So the price went up till 6,720 for that particular entry. Now let us see what happened after that. We are not going to consider this red color signal, just for simple reason that as a first rule, the first rule states that whenever the price is staying above this green color moving average line, you are not going to take any sell call. So when the price approaches this green moving average line, we should follow a 7-point rule, which means that just below 7 points you may be taking a sell entry here, and just above 7 points you will place your stop loss. Approximately I am placing this. Now let us see. After the price, you would have entered somewhere here. Since this is for educational purpose, all this video presentation, we will consider all the entry points. It is not necessary as a trader that you should follow the same way. Once you get profit, you can exit from the market. Here in this particular case, you can see we are stopped out. So we will wait for another opportunity. Here the market had provided you the second entry opportunity also. Here also you can see you should apply the 7-point rule, and just above 7 point you will place your stop loss. So in this particular case also you are stopped out of the market. So 2 times the market got stopped out. Now let us see whether we are getting another signal. So we got another valuable signal here. So this is probably this will be the entry point. So now you know that where you would have placed your stop loss. Since you had taken the entry level based upon the first white line, your stop loss always depends upon the second white line. So here you are going to place your stop loss. Now you can see slowly and steadily the market just rose up. So it had also provided you some good profit, and you should always have the habit of modifying your stop loss. This is the next day, that was on Saturday. This is what happened on Saturday. Saturday also we had a very good volatility. Normally we don't have any volatility on Saturday's market, but particularly on yesterday's market, on Saturday's market, you can see that was on 17th of August. the price opened and it came down, and also it gave a very good price action. You can see it went up till 6775, and it closed around 6750. So on looking at the entire price action, you can see apart from the areas where you are stopped out for sell entries, the market had provided us a very good opportunity for buying. So this is the great advantage of using our simple day trading strategy, because it identifies your entry point very clearly. Very often and most of the time we used to say, please don't try to trade against the trend. Our simple day trading method is designed in a way that you always follow the trend. In this particular area where you got the sell entry, where you will be tempted to take a sell call because the market was staying higher, but we take an attempt for taking a sell entry, but with a very strict stop loss. That is most important. Then you can see that the price, our charting system showed a blue color, which indicates that still the momentum for buying is on, so there is no need for you to go and sell on top. Again we are saying that selling on top or going and trading against the trend is very dangerous. Our simple day trading system is designed in such a way that it takes care that you always stay in line with the trend. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, today's trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.